To access your parents' ANS portal, you just have to go to the ANS website. Here in the ANS website, you have to go to ANS portal. You will need to use your username and your password. To find your child's report card, you have to go to the e-locker. Here in the e-locker, you can find the report cards, map results, and progress reports. And for you to be able to see it, you just have to go to download.
And to access into the Parent Plus portal in your phone, you will need to download the app Parent Plus and access with your username and password. Now you have to click on the three lines icon next to your name. Go to where it says e-locker and select e-portfolio. Here you can find the report cards, the map family reports, and the home communication plan. For you to be able to access to the report card, you just have to click on it, scroll down a little bit, and click on the green arrow. Then you just have to save to files. And click on save. Then you have to go to your files and select the document you just downloaded.